So we included modules which you have to know when you're working at a company using crypto. So for example, there's a module on Block Explorer, there's a module on how to use crypto accounting tools. So your audience is very familiar with the subledgers. So it's very practical. So we teach them to know what they have to do at their company. Obviously, like on-chain accounting, like the most common types of transactions happening, how to record them. Then we go on like different topics that maybe they might not really be involved in at their company, but at least they have an understanding of. For example, treasury management, token economics. There's a module on understanding what wallets to use. So enterprise wallets obviously is different than using like a MetaMask or a Coinbase. You would use more like a Fireblocks or like a Safe. So we go through exercises like through those tools. How do they work? If you are the company, obviously you need to set up internal controls. And with crypto, it's like so easy to make payments, but then at the end of the year, you just have like a bunch of payments everywhere. But if you didn't set up good internal controls, like it's going to be very painful.
Yeah.
Then obviously tax and like then accounting standards like IFRS, US GAAP, because we have people joining from all over the world. So we go into the two biggest accounting standard. Also, we have a new module called company formation,
Nice.
where if you have decided to launch a token in terms of like company structure, what should it look like? Because most companies, obviously, they would start with setting up an operational a lab co, and then they would at the time so pre-TGE they would probably have to set up a foundation somewhere and another special purpose vehicle for the token. So we go through like all these different elements of, let's say, that you'd have to know if you were to work at a company using crypto.